Welcome back to Profit Avenue. Are you interested in getting free PayPal Money Cash codes? Everything is through your phone and online, completely free. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to have free PayPal Money Cash codes from 5 different apps on your phone. This is one way to make money online without any hassle, prior experience, or investments. So stay tuned as I tell you all about these 5 free apps. Before we start, I have some good news for you. I will be giving away $1,000 in cash prizes and PayPal money this month to 10 subscribers, $100 each as our way of saying thank you. To enter for the draw, here are the 3 easy steps to win the money. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button and number. Finally, and the most important step is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video, and I want you to comment down the number below while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month, and once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every single month via our community post. Since we are talking about PayPal Money Cash codes, you will need a PayPal account to get started. PayPal is completely free and accessible anywhere in the world. It's basically a virtual wallet where you can get paid for all sorts of things, and for redeeming cash codes, it's the fastest way to do so. Once your account is all set, you can begin with the 5 apps I mentioned earlier. Starting with the first app, Attapoll Paid Surveys is available for both Apple and Android with a 4.2 rating on the Google Play Store. Attapoll.com is a platform where you can get paid for sharing your thoughts and opinions about different products. So, you answer surveys and you get paid for it. You can get asked to rate simple things like naming your favorite restaurants, hangout places, states you live or travel to, and more. You can also give your thoughts and reactions about products and services. The whole thing is simple. Businesses pay the platform to get information about their consumers and products to provide a better experience for their consumers. Attapoll then splits the money paid to those who answer or participates in the surveys. After taking surveys from different companies, you can then cash out the money earned. Attapoll offers low minimum cash out amounts, and you can choose between PayPal, gift cards, or if you prefer other payment methods, you can choose those as well. You can even donate your cash to charity if you want to give back in your own way. Another underrated feature is that you can invite your friends to also take any of these surveys, and in turn, you will receive a referral bonus for each friend you can successfully invite. So, if you want to earn more, you can invite people, including strangers, to check out the app themselves and answer surveys too. You can earn an easy $15 in just an hour. All you have to do is download the app on your phone and you can start earning from these surveys. Now, if you consider yourself a music enthusiast and if you want to make money from listening to music, the next app is for you. Imagine blasting songs of your favorite bands or artists and earning money at the same time. Isn't that just cool? You can listen to any type of music from pop, R&B, rock to country music and EDM. Just type "make money and earn cash rewards" on the Play Store. The first app that comes up is the one you like with a purple icon. As you can see, it has a 4.4 rating with lots of reviews from people who are already earning money from it. So, instead of listening to music on Spotify or any other app, you can just download this app and listen to music through here. Now, the app's name is Current, and from their site right here, you can see that you can earn while doing anything like commuting, running, and even working. You play the music, earn, and then spend the money in any way you want with music from curated radio stations. So, you can cash out your points as gift cards, products, electronics, and even donations to charities too. Just go ahead and download the Current app and you can earn while playing your favorite songs. Moving on to the next app, we have Cash Camel. If you search in the Play Store for Cash Camel, the app with a camel cartoon logo will come up. Click on that and you can go ahead and download the app while I tell you about it. It has a 4.6 rating and has thousands of downloads already. On their site, which is crowdnautics.com, you'll see that it offers surveys where you can get paid for taking a part of it. They are partnered with a lot of brands and research firms that would love to hear your thoughts about their products and services. It's only known to a small number of people, which means they are paying more. So now is the perfect time for you to download the app and answer surveys. Moving on to the next app on our list, this one is called Bonusly, which is the green app over here. It's a very new app with 4.9 ratings, and at this moment in time, it has a very few amount of users. That being said, it's still a good app for you to earn money for your time. Head over to their site where you can read more about it. So, Bonusly is a platform for rewards and recognition that enhances a company's culture and work experience. The app is already used by brands like Hulu, Envision, Chobani, and Headspace. It's perfect for employees of companies to earn more while working simply by taking surveys. You can get paid through Amazon, PayPal, and more. The last app on our list is Userlytics, which is this pink app right over here. It's a user testing mobile app where you can answer questions and record sessions with certain apps and websites. It will tell you some instructions and let you answer questions after. In short, you can test out apps before they are even launched online, giving you first access to their features. It's also amazing to think that you help the app improve its services and interface. Here on their site, you can see that Userlytics is used by different big brands like Google, Canon, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, and other well-known brands. If you want to read more about it, you can check out their site and you'll see the other technicalities. Once you test feedback has been approved by the client, you can get paid in the next 15 days through PayPal. You will be paid the most using this app because it requires you to test apps. If you're interested, just download Userlytics and start earning money now. And that concludes today's list of money-paying apps. Again, these are all completely free to download and are easy to understand. You don't need any specific skills to do these since all you need is your phone. Just by doing these simple tasks like answering surveys, listening to music, and trying out new apps, you can already earn some money. If you haven't already, go download these 5 apps now and enjoy earning. Subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to earn money. Make sure to turn on that notification bell to be updated for future videos and don't miss out on our ongoing giveaway. Before you leave, why not check out some more of our videos about making money right here.